Hello guys, good morning everyone. This is Shefa Mam, your English educator on Guidely. So guys, today I brought this video to let you people know the difference between the usage of these two adverbs, that is fairly and rather. So number first we'll be talking about the adverb fairly. So fairly guys is always used with a positive adjective sense in the context of a statement. Like the sentence structure would be fairly plus positive adjective plus noun. This is the sentence structure for the adverb fairly. I can say Sneha got fairly good marks in English section in IBPS PO Mains 2022 exam. Like this I can say. So here fairly good, I am talking about good, that is a positive sense adjective, and with this positive sense adjective I am using the word fairly, that's a positive adverb. Now if I talk about the rather term, next let's talk about the adverb that is rather. So guys, we use rather in a negative context, like for example rather plus negative sense adjective plus noun. This is the structure. For example, I can say today it's raining cats and dogs and the weather is rather bad, like this. Clear? So rather bad. So bad is an adjective, negative adjective, and this negative adjective is qualifying the negative adverb, that is rather. If I am saying today it's raining cats and dogs and the weather is fairly bad, so this statement would be grammatically incorrect. So guys, I hope now it's very much clear to you all people the difference between these two adverbs, that is fairly and rather. So guys, if you really enjoyed this video, then stay tuned with me only on Guidely YouTube channel. Free classes for English section daily at 12:30 AM Monday to Saturday and evening 8 PM Monday to Saturday. Thank you everyone.